Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you add text to your video in CapCut. So let's start up the process. To start up the process, open up CapCut. Now after selecting video, tap on third option, text at the bottom of your screen. Now here you can see first option, add text. Tap on this option. Now from here you can see you are able to add any text in this video, like beautiful weather. Now tap on screen, tap on tick. Now this text has been added in your video. Now you can adjust it anywhere in this video where you want. Now after adding text, you can export your video from here. So if you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.